What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're coming on back. My name is Jessica. I am a mother of three, also a beauty lover, obviously. So today we have Mondays by Mitchell, week number 5 challenge. I'm going for elf vibes. That was my vibes. My ears haven't came yet. But yeah, I just have little cute little elf ears. Like, look how cute. A little elf ear. That would look super cute, but they're not here yet. So, yeah. I'm going to be doing this look for you guys here. So if you want to see how I created this very beautiful, bubbly look, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. Okay, so I already primed my eyelid. But I am going to make sure to prime like all right here on this side, so that way I don't have to really touch it with my like foundation and concealer. And I still want, you know, my products to stick to it. Okay, so first things first, I am going to be taking my P. Louise Secret Sinner palette. And I'm going to go ahead and take the blue Affair. So I'm just going to take this blue and put it in the shape of my cut crease. I feel like the background's kind of loud, so I apologize. But next, I'm going to take the purple called Addicted. So I'm going to take this purple and I'm just going to blend it like halfway through to the end. Let me see. Look. Let me see. You want to do cut crease like mommy? Oh, dude, your face is dirty. Go wipe your mouth. And I'm just blending it right here a little bit up because this is obviously where the purple blend is going to be. So I'm just blending it up in this area. Next, I'm going to take some of In Lust. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buff this end out. Kind of crappy up until it's all the way blended out, but that's totally fine because we are going to work it. I'm going to take S&M on a fluffy brush. I'm just going to give this a little blend, which I will do better later, but I just want this to be pink. The Me, Myself, and Mama Mitchell palette by Beauty Bay. I'm going to take the blue called Mist, and I am going to buff this out. I'm going to go in with the purple Miles High. I'm going to take this lilac purple, and yep, you guessed it, blend out this purple. I did not see that coming. And then next, I am going to take Miracle and then Shmoney. Shmoney. So I'm going to start by taking Miracle, and that is what's going to start to make this kind of green. It's kind of like a turquoise color. Like that. And then I'm just going to wipe the brush off, which I'm doing on my pants. I'm going to take Shmoney and just buff this right in there. So now I'm going to go through and build up all of my colors. and then we can cut the crease and move on. I'm going to take my Suva Beauty Hydroliner, and this one is in Space Panda. Okay, so now you see how terrible that I did. I'm gonna take a Q-tip because this is a water activated liner. I'm gonna, get a little lick. And then I'm just gonna clean this up. So now I'm going to go ahead and relay down my base before I do this wet liner. This portion, I'm just gonna take this is the Acid Rain brush by P. Louise and Mitchell. When there's product in it, it's actually quite a large brush, so I'm gonna use this to make the big dots and like those little tiny dots. I'm gonna take another Q-tip, a clean one, and just get it off my brows. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup, and then we can come back and complete everything off. Alright, so my face makeup is on, and I already went ahead and I did this eye because I wasn't really sure where I was going with it, but I'm happy with it. Alright. First things first, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil. And then going into the Made by Mitchell palette, I'm going to take the shade Sunburn. And I'm just going to blend this just a little bit under my eye to give it some sort of color than just like the stark white. So there's that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take more of that white, and I'm going to coat my bottom lashes in it. So now I'm going to take my Beauty Creation Cosmetics lashes, and these are in the style Drip Drip, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this right on. gonna take UFO on a fluffy brush and just kind of blend this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my lippy and we can come back and see the completed look. So here is the completed look. I was gonna put on my little elf ears, but they haven't came yet. They're supposed to come today. They are still not here. But here is the completed look. I'm really happy with how it came out. I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but now I'm like living my best life. So my young one has to go to sleep now, so I'm just gonna cut this video short, but thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.